Steve Spell 2. I want to show you all the carpenter bees out here today. Hannah left her sword out here, leaving toys all over the place. There's normally not this many of these carpenter bees, but I'm seeing swarms of them out here. A lot of bees. Now, I'm usually fearful of these things, but I've been gotten a lot braver as I get older and learn that these things are normally not aggressive. Yeah, they're just swarming. Look at that. Oh, there's about 20 of them over there. Shit! 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 Whew. Jesus Christ! Whew. Man, there's just a lot of these things out here.